I want us to go through a simple process of coming out with a brochure in Microsoft Word. Therefore, basically, we shall be creating the following document. That is a brochure, as you can see. And therefore, we launch Microsoft Word for that matter. If we just launch Word, then we go to blank document. Therefore, this is our blank document. Then we first of all see that our page is landscape, and therefore you just go to orientation. That is, you change the orientation. You just go to layout, then you just go to where page orientation is here, then you change to landscape. Therefore, for that case, our page is landscape. Then we shall utilize text boxes as much as possible, and therefore just go to insert here. Therefore, just go to insert, then you go to shapes, then you go to this point here. I insert shapes, then you take the text box. This is the text box. Therefore, I click on the text box, then I can just draw a bit of my text box up to a certain point like that. Then I need to fix this text. Therefore, I have already typed the text. Therefore, I just go to where that one is. That is, I have this text, this one. Therefore, I copy that, copy. Then I just go to this point here and paste it. Therefore, I just paste that. Then I need to highlight this one and come to this point here, guys, and click no spacing, so that I can utilize space as much as possible. Therefore, this is how it looks like. Then I need to remove this line. Therefore, I just go to this point, format, then I go to shape outline, then I just click on no outline. Therefore, that's what I am supposed to do there. Therefore, for that case, I have removed the this one, and therefore if I go to this one, these ones are bulleted. Therefore, I just do the same. Therefore, I need to bullet this, these ones, that one. Therefore, I just go to where the bullets are and put the bullet. Therefore, that one is done. Then this one, I just change the color to purple, to recommended color. Then after doing that, I may opt to pull this downwards a bit, and then go and have the next text here. That is the next text that I need to press. Therefore, after that is from this point here, suggested activities, and therefore I just go to this point. I have my text here. Therefore, this one, I first of all change it to no spacing, then I copy that one, then I just go to where I want and paste it there. Therefore, this is how it is supposed to be pasted. But for the first one here, it doesn't have bullets. This is the heading. Therefore, I also do as required, that is by also taking it to the end. Therefore, you can see how this document is working. Then we have this text here, this one. Therefore, I just go and get it. Therefore, I have already typed that one for you. So I just go to this point, I highlight that text up to that point, then I remove the spacing, then I copy that. If I just go to where I need to have that one. Therefore, this one should be somewhere in the center, that is in the center of the page, and therefore I just do that. Go to insert, shape, then I take the text box, then I just draw my text box somewhere here in the page and paste that. Therefore, that is how it should be. Then this one should be centered. Just go home and center that one. Also should be somehow big. Therefore, this one should be somewhere closer to this. This one. So I need to make this one purple, bold, and a bit bigger, like now 18, like that. Then This one should be centered. So we center that. That's how. Then I need to remove this one. Therefore I click on that, go to format, shape outline, then no outline. Therefore I have now removed that one. Therefore this one, if you see, this one is this part, then there is this other part here. Therefore you can first of all press these photos. Therefore guys, you just click this one. I needed to pull this upwards. Therefore I needed to insert the photo here. Therefore I just go to insert, then I go to picture, then I go to where my pictures are saved. Therefore I have to have this photo. Then I need to come to this point, text wrap, then in front of text. You see now the photo is on my page, but I needed to reduce the size. Therefore I just reduce the size and bring it there. Then I also need to, this one should be somewhere down there. Therefore I need also to have then the other photo here. The other photo should be inserted there. Therefore we are working on this one. Therefore I needed to bring this logo here, and therefore for that case I just go to where I want to insert. There I just go to insert, then picture, can just insert that one, then go to text wrap in front of text, and also remove the unwanted part by cropping. Can also crop this up to that point, also up to this point. Then I reduce the size by doing that. Then I can now drag my logo, can drag my logo to where it should be. That way guys. Therefore this one I have pressed that. Then we have also the same logo here and this title here, and therefore I needed to go to this point. I can just copy paste this, copy paste, and just bring this one somewhere there. This one is somewhere up there, and then there is this title. Just go to insert, then go to shapes. I get a text box, then I just need to type my text box there. Therefore we have helix and anti-corruption commission, helix and anti-corruption commission. Then I highlight this, I go to home, no spacing, then center aligned, color purple, and then I can increase the font size a bit. Good. Then bold. Then don't forget, go to format, shape outline, no outline, to remove that. That is the line. And therefore guys, if you look at that one, we have this. Then we have this photo, written integrity crab, I see, and this. Therefore we just go to this point here, go to insert, shape, take a rectangle, and then we can just have this one here. That one is purple. We just need to go to shape, then we just have it as purple. Then this one down here, then we have this one with this color here. Therefore we just go again to shape outline. Therefore I needed to have that, then try to get that color. That color is that one. Then after doing that one, we need to draw a circle here. So guys, this is what we have. We have a white circle with this one I see. Therefore I right click, then go to add text. Therefore I have I see. I highlight that one. I highlight like that. I go to home, go to text, that is change case, change to uppercase and bold. Therefore that's what I'm supposed to do. Then this one should be bigger in size, that one. but this one is white. This is purple, but this one is white. Therefore I just got format, shape outline, I put it white. Then down here there is a text box written, this one, integrity, my commitment. So I just go to this point here and write that one. We have quotes, we have integrity, we have integrity, it is, we have, you can type that one, integrity, my commitment, okay. Then this one should be somehow blurred and then italicized. If I just click on italicized, then after doing that one, this one is purple in color. Therefore I just need to go to this one and give it purple color, then remove the line. Therefore shape outline, no outline, and then this one should be white in color. So I just change that one to white, and it's bigger, something like 16, that way. Therefore so far guys, you see we are almost done. Then we have this photograph with this one. Therefore we need to have that one. First of all we just remove this. Therefore I just go to this point. You want to insert that photo. Therefore insert, we go to insert, then picture, then we have this one, we have that picture. Therefore just go to text wrap in front of text. Then having done that, just reduce the size to required size. Therefore you use the size to required size. Therefore that's what we have guys. Therefore just go to this one, we have integrity crab. Therefore I just go to that point, integrity crab. Therefore I need to type here integrity crab. Therefore I just go to insert, shapes, then I take the text box, then type in blue. We have integrity crab, that way. Therefore in this one I just need to increase the font size and then change the color to purplish or bluish. Then this one is, put that one bluish and then bold. Then I needed first of all to remove that is to remove the line, shape outline, no outline. Then you can also try to match the color with that one of that that is that object there. Therefore more colors, you can try to have that color, that one that is so close to that. You just have to try to have a color closer to that one, and this one should be somewhere there. Therefore so far we have that one done. Guys, you can see we have our document almost similar to this one here, this one here. This is what we are doing, and therefore we can go again to the next page. If we can just insert another page. Therefore we want to have another page 2 of this one. If we just first of all need to fix that one, that way the way it is. therefore just that. Therefore, after looking at that the way it is, you see now this one is this should be EACC. This is capital A. Produce EACC. Good, it should be like that. Therefore, guys, you can see that by help of Microsoft Word, we are able to come up with a brochure, and for that case, you'll notice that our brochure is exactly the one. It's almost exactly on whatever we have here. Therefore, this one is a big tip that shows that Microsoft Word is also powerful enough to come up with a brochure. And therefore, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next sessions.